The Dodge Journey key fob from 2011 to 2020 uses a CR2032 battery. When the remote stops working or has decreased range, it's time for a replacement. To begin, locate the small release button on the side or back of the fob. Press the release button while gently prying the case open with a small non-metallic tool like a plastic pry tool or guitar pick. Avoid using metal screwdrivers, which can scratch the fob or cause electrostatic discharge damage. Once open, note the battery orientation with positive side up before removing and replacing it with a new CR2032. High-quality aftermarket batteries are recommended to avoid malfunctions. If the key fob case is stuck, apply a little heat from a hairdryer for 10 to 15 seconds to soften the plastic or use isopropyl alcohol as a lubricant. Be gentle to avoid cracking the case. After replacing the battery, ensure it's correctly oriented with the positive side up. If the remote still doesn't work, try resetting it by pressing the buttons rapidly or cycling the vehicle key in the ignition. If issues persist, reprogramming via an OBD2 scanner or a visit to a dealer might be necessary. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly and consider that counterfeit batteries are common and can cause issues. DIY fixes typically cost around $5 for the battery versus $75 at a dealership.